Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change gold storage in Clash of Clans. First, ensure you are in your home village, not your builder base. Look for the Edit Layout button, which typically appears as a 4-arrow icon near the bottom right of your screen. Tapping this button activates the layout editor, allowing you to freely modify your village structure. This powerful tool helps you strategically adjust your base for better defense. Once you are in the layout editor, you will see options for different base layouts. Choose the Home Village tab, then select the layout you wish to modify. For most players, this means selecting your currently active village. You can pick an empty slot to create an entirely new design, but for moving existing storages, modifying your active base is usually best. With the editor active, find one of your gold storage buildings. Tap and hold your finger on it for a moment, and it will lift from its current position. Now, simply drag it to any open space on your village map. The area will highlight green if it is a valid placement, or red if the spot is already occupied or unsuitable. Release your finger to place the storage down. When placing your gold storages, consider their vulnerability. Avoid grouping all storages in one area, as a single attack could empty them. Instead, spread them behind multiple layers of walls and defensive buildings. A good strategy is to place them deep within your base, making it harder for attackers to reach them. This maximizes the protection of your valuable resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.